Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your country on Lululemon. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in lululemon.com in the URL box and search. Make sure to log into your Lululemon account by entering your email and password. Once you are logged into your Lululemon account, go to the top right hand corner and click on the globe icon at the top right, like that, and select the location you'd like to change to. Once you make your selection according to your preference, you will be able to change your location on Lululemon. After you make this change, remember that your shipping and billing information may also be affected with this particular change to your profile. So that is pretty much it. That is how you can easily change your location on Lululemon. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.